Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. If your laptop or desktop screen is freeze or stuck, in this video I will show you how you can fix it. So let's start with our first method. In our first method, you have to press Shift key, Control key, Window key and B button together to refresh your graphic driver. So you need to press all these 4 keys together on your keyboard to refresh your graphic driver. This will refresh your driver and you can fix your issue. Don't worry, a beep sound will pop up and you can hear a deep sound when your graphic driver will restart. And if you are still getting the same issue, now move to our second method. In this method, you have to press Control key, Shift key and Escape key together on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Click this More Details option. Click this Processes tab. All these applications are services or applications. Now see if there are any application which is consuming much percentage of CPU power or your memory. In that case, simply right click to that application and click End Task to close this application. Click End Task. That's it. Now move on this final step. Click on this Startup tag and disable all the startup applications. Simply right click on it and click this Disable option. Simply right click and disable. You can see it is disabled. And disable all of them one by one. So these applications would not run in background, thus your PC performance boost up. Now click on this first tab, Processes, and search for Windows Explorer. You can find Windows Explorer by scrolling down. You can see this is my Windows Explorer. Select this application and click this Restart option. This will restart your Windows Explorer and will also fix your issue. Now close this window. These are the methods you can fix your issue. If this worked for you, hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.